If you have extra wires in your thermostat bundle, they can be used immediately as spare conductors to restore functions without pulling new cable. Use the spare wire as a direct substitute for a faulty conductor by confirming color codes at both the thermostat and the furnace or air handler control board and moving the spare into the same terminal positions. Before switching anything, turn off power at the system service switch and at the breaker to avoid shorts and stray voltage that can damage control electronics. Label the original terminal and the spare wire ends with durable tags or colored tape so the change is reversible and clear for the next technician. If your thermostat uses power stealing for 2-wire installations, you can instead repurpose a spare to provide a dedicated common wire so the thermostat has a stable 5-volt to 24-volt return, which reduces intermittent resets and ghost calls. For heat pump systems that have reversing valves or auxiliary heat control, run the spare to the appropriate terminal and verify function by commanding modes at the thermostat while observing the outdoor unit and indoor relays. After any swap test, the system through several mode changes and record the swap in the equipment service log so future troubleshooting is faster and mistakes are avoided. Common mistakes include assuming the spare is unused rather than tied into another device, which can cause short circuits, so always trace and test continuity first. If the spare shows continuity to another conductor, remove that connection at both ends before use. Another issue is poor termination at the control board, causing intermittent operation, so strip cleanly, tin or use proper ferrules, and tighten screws to the recommended torque to ensure a solid connection. A third concern is not documenting the change, which creates confusion later on. Write a simple note at the control board and update your equipment log or service app, so the next technician knows which color was repurposed and why. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for thermostat and HVAC work, and helps contractors find jobs by listing projects and lead opportunities that match their skills. We also host a discussion community so homeowners and pros can ask questions, share photos, and troubleshoot wiring swaps together.